And now it's time for the second part of this video, where I'm gonna be rebuilding the calipers. So I've got the calipers themselves, the carriers, the pistons, all the seals that we need, gasket seals. We've got the bleeding bolts, we've got these guide bolts, and of course something that we definitely need is that silicone grease. It's gonna help us to push the cylinders in. Let's open one of those. What you see? Right, that is in. Now I need to see how this one works. Let's put some grease onto it as well. I'm gonna try a different approach. I'm gonna try and put first the piston. Now, let's do the other one. Right, again, I'm gonna take a little bit of the silicone, put around that. It does require some force, if I have to be honest. Okay, and now I need to put this seal. Right, now both pistons are in. Let's turn these ones around and remove the old bleeding screws. The 9mm socket. Okay, and this one is out. Let's do the other one. And we're gonna put the new bleeding bolts. First one is in. And the second one is in. Let's tighten them up. I'm not gonna put them too tight. I guess the guy who's gonna be installing them is gonna tighten them. Alright. Alright. Bleeding bolts are in. Let's put those purely just for the looks. And the next thing to do is put these rubber things. So let's put a bit of that around here. That's it. And this is gonna go like that. So the easier way is to squeeze it and push it in from here. And here we are. First one is in. Let's do the second one. here. Okay, this one is in as well. And let's do the last two. And now it's time to put the guide bolts, or whatever these are called. Oh, my hands are way too slippery. So now these ones go in, like so. Okay, these ones are ready. So we've got the calipers on each one of those. We're gonna put a bit of silicone, like that. Oh. Let's massage it well. Lubrication is key. That's gonna do the job. Alright, how tight these needs to be, I don't know. When we get to put the calipers on the car, then I'm going to get them more tight if they need to be more tight. Alright. So these plastic bits goes over the guiding bolts, like so. And our first caliper and carrier is ready. So what we're gonna do, leave it on the side. Alright, so, and take the next one. Alright. So lower that. And they just go in so easily. Like so. These two again go on top of the guiding bolts, and we are ready. The two calipers are ready to be installed on my Z4. So that's how they look.